I've never had a back facial, so I have no idea what to expect.
It's not like you needed that bad anyway. Like I'm looking at this, I'm like, wow, you're doing really great. And I was thinking the same thing in my head, like, she's
Yeah.
But they're good, like if you get like a body scrub or body polish or acne facial that comes with the scrub. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna scrub everything, the works. And it just makes everything nice and smooth.
Okay.
I'm gonna shave a little bit of the smaller hairs off the back. The little vellus hairs.
Okay.
Yep, open up the pores and get rid of some back acne, which is one here. So they're only sporadically, which is a good thing. So they're not localized. Where it's like hormonal. If they're all bunched together in like multiple places, then yeah, that's okay. Yeah, we have something. That could be detergent, it could be sweating profusely, sitting jobs too much. It could be a lot of things chafing the skin.
Okay.
But so far, so great. We'll be under the steam for about another minute.
Okay.
I'm gonna get out this too closer.
You're good. Yeah, I'm going wedding dress shopping and I'm looking at a lot of back gowns, like backless gowns. So I was like, I want to make sure it's all good.
I hear that. Now this soap is extra drying because once I dry out the skin, I definitely want to get the little smaller hairs, the vellus hairs with the small little razor blade that I have. Well, actually, it's a motorized razor. I know you've probably seen it when you're, the table was up there in gold. But it's less painful than a straight razor or sometimes the big body razors. Those can still cause little marks. Or the person being agitated later on. I'm going to use my hands as well, but the body brush gets it on here a lot quicker. A little cold, but not too bad. Just let me know if it's too much. Not too bad.
Feels good.
Right. And you said a wedding is next weekend?
It's in June.
Oh, is it June? Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
but
thinking next weekend.
yeah. So I figured I would try this out, in case I do get a backless dress. Plus, I'm seeing my mom next week. We're gonna go on vacation to Utah, and she, she's always like, "Well, how's your back knee doing?" I'm like, "Mom, it's not that bad." My friend is a different story, but so I'm like, you know what? I don't want to hear some comments. So I'll just get it done.
Well, once we do, or actually take off all the soap, we're gonna do an analyzation of the skin to see what's going on.
Okay.
And then I can better give you a better view of what I see. And sometimes it can be shocking, like, wait a minute, I thought you said this was going to be nice. But well, sometimes we do find things where I'm like, I'd rather you hate me than hate yourself. So this is something that I would definitely look into. I'm not saying you have to take care of it, but you definitely want to look into it. And then that's when a dermatologist will step in, because the doctors are the ones that can kind of, they prescribe them pills, medicines, and surgeries and stuff like that. We just beautify the skin and take care of it. Got your hair.
Yeah, I'm on retin-A up on my chest, so which will cause some, it's just getting all the imperfections out. I should do that for a regular facial. I just don't know what type of regular facial to get when you don't know.
Yeah, just like a basic facial just to see where you are with your skin. And then if we see something like uneven skin tone or marks and bumps and lumps and something else, then we would definitely...
All good.
Okay, okay.
How long have you been an esthetician?
Just hit my 9-year mark.
Oh,
12th.
wow.
Yeah.
Next year will be a decade.
Yeah. It'll be, yeah.
Has the industry changed?
It has. I would say it's changed for, well, I would say more for the better because of like the treatments are not smaller or saying you're getting cheated out of your treatments, but they're quicker. So you don't have to do as much time in the treatment as you used to. Because some of the peels or some of the solutions, oh yeah, they took about 15-20 minutes per treatment. So yeah, like 5 treatments, yeah, you're there for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, a long time. And most people don't have that kind of, kind of time these days. And so it's like very, very quick. The machines are smaller and more powerful. Like these laser machines are super, super portable now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's really, really good stuff. So all I'm doing is looking through this magnifying glass.
Okay. I'm known to have, not to weird you out, Benjamin, but some gnarly long extractions in the back.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it came right on that. Good. We're gonna have a fun time. So yours are easy, they just pop right on.
Oh, good.
You watch Dr. Pimple Popper sometimes?
No, I haven't. But my friend, this is how I know. He's almost like a brother to me because we've known each other for 20 years. And so we went on a road trip, and he was like, I've been staring at this for the past 4 days. I have to get it out.
What did he have?
It was just like, I just had a really long extraction. It was so bad that he taped it.
Oh, you did? He got it out for you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, but this one hurts.
No, it's like a little worm just came
Yep.
Got it.
Ooh.
Yeah, that needed to come out.
What's the best way to handle the pain, Benjamin?
You know, I've never, out of all these almost 10 years, like you said, picture the decade, I've never heard of anybody saying I love extraction. You know, even people who love pain, and I've worked on people who love pain.
Yeah.
Like, that's, you know, what's the acronym for it? Like,
no pain is no gain or something?
No, the people who love pain and they whips and chains.
Oh, the BD, what is,
Yeah, there you go, okay. Yeah, there's people who love pain, but when it comes to something like this, it's like quite the opposite. Like,
yeah.
What? But you can handle somebody flogging.
Yeah, exactly.
You and,
I think it's because it's so minute that you're like, oh, this is fine. Then you're like, oh, okay.
Right, they hurt. I'm not gonna lie. If I get a bump from like my nose or lip area, like I go to my mom.
Yeah.
She handles it. I can't do it myself. There's no way.
Yeah.
No, thank you. You're right. It's just too much. It's small, but it hurts. Yeah, but you're right. I've never seen anybody ever say, "I love it."
Yeah. Nope.
Beauty's pain. There we go. Good.
Well, it's a good thing I don't have many. Otherwise,
I know,
this would be a session.
So some people, I'm more worried about fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and there's another one I'm probably forgetting. But anyways, if I didn't see you have those, you're doing well. These little small, minute bumps I'm popping right now, it's like a godsend from like the stuff that we normally work on. Like especially because I work in the Medi Spa in Northern Virginia.
Okay.
She found me a line to help out here because I think they're going through some changes. And I was like, sure, I'll some days I have off.
Do you travel all the way from Virginia?
Yeah.
Benjamin, that is a commute.
Well, my parents, they live right down the street.
Okay.
Which was wonderful. Where I was like,
yeah, double whammy.
So I visit them and I get my mom off my back for not calling.
Yeah. yeah. You're like, I'll come over for dinner.
Now this one right here, because it's close to the spine, is going to be
what? Okay.
A little shocking.
Okay. Do we have to get it?
Yeah, it's like a big bump.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
That was easy. It was mainly just it was like a blur of popping. Like it would probably pop on its own.
Okay.
Yeah, it was like literally right there.
I should make my fiance do this.
Yeah, you know, there's classes. Well, my friend owner, she got